Over the course of this series, we're going to use the ShopBot Desktop to complete some basic design and construction projects from start to finish to show what this machine can do and how to solve issues that can crop up along the way. But because we want to convey what it's like to actually own and live with this machine, we'll start with the experience of setting it up from the get-go. The ShopBot very conveniently comes pre-assembled, and the shipping crate that it comes in makes a handy, free stand. You'll need a PC to run the ShopBot. Macs are not supported at this time. The machine's processing needs are not very demanding, and I found that the low-end Dell PC I purchased at Best Buy was perfectly adequate. You can go to ShopBot's website to look up the specific stats you'd need in a computer. And before you can run the machine, you need to install both the Vectric drawing program and ShopBot's control software, both of which are on the thumb drive that ShopBot includes with the machine. Once you've got those loaded up, you're ready to hook the machine up. There's only two cables coming out of the ShopBot Desktop, and hooking it up is this simple. Plug the power cord in, then plug the USB cable into the computer. That's it. Another thing you'll probably want to do is hook up a shop vacuum for the dust collection. The desktop comes with this plexi piece over the cutting head that has a protruding cylinder on top. The cylinder's outside diameter measures 2 inches, which means you can slide a standard shop vac hose onto it. Now you might be tempted to slap a hose clamp on here to keep it in place, but don't. The hose needs to be able to move up and down freely as the spindle travels around the bed. And here's something I learned the hard way. You are going to want to suspend the vacuum hose from overhead to avoid putting strain on this tube as the machine head moves around the table. Now frankly, this is common sense, and during a visit to ShopBot HQ, I saw that all of their machines are set up this way, but I stupidly decided to try it without doing this, and sure enough, I broke the tube. As you can see, I've acetoned it back together and added these little triangular braces, but you won't need to do that if you simply follow the directions in the first place. You'll also notice that I've added a dust cyclone, but strictly speaking this isn't necessary. I just like using it because it's easier to empty out. Now we're ready to run the machine. Stay tuned and we'll cover the rest of the first-time basics.